It's raining! Hello! My God, a little bit of a rainstorm going on here. This is the fan control wiring. We're getting there now, I'm sheathing it up. But this rain was so outstanding, I thought I would just do a little update here just so you could hear how loud the rain is! My God! Got all 6 noise blockers reduced to 1 channel. It's controlled by the big NG M-Cube device. Ultracause. These 4 fans all together, and that leaves 1 channel open. Oh, that's a little update for you.